Anyway, so I'm gonna start making my downtime, making these for night fishing. These leaders, mouse imitations, the swivel, and 35-pound test with 12-pound test. I also got some of these zoo cougars, some fake frogs, 12-pound test, 35-pound test, visit swivels, making those. Also got my kit for making my spinners. Here's my vise. So, can't wait to get all this stuff going, and should be great. I got a pair of night vision goggles too to do the fishing at night, so I should be able to see a little bit better without killing myself. Alright, I'll keep you updated. Thanks.